Are you looking for a new construction neighborhood in Stokesdale under $400,000 and want to get a sneak peek inside the model home? If you are, then today you're going to want to check out this video. My name is Meredith Parsons. I'm a realtor. I live here and love it here. I want you to move here and love it here as much as I do. And if you could do this, it'd be so awesome. Like, subscribe, and turn on notification, because each week I'm going to be taking on a little tour, a little venture of all things Greensboro area in Stokesdale, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. You ready to go check out this model home? Let's go. We have the opportunity of going in the model home in Colley Farm, which is in Stokesdale. Check out my previous videos on the neighborhood. And I did not want you to miss out on this opportunity. They have 6 different floor plans in the neighborhood, and we're gonna go in and check it out. They're starting in around the 370s. So if you're looking for under 400,000 in Stokesdale with city water and city sewage, then we need to go and check it out. And they're also offering incentives that you really just shouldn't pass up. They're bringing it, right? They have, not every house, but on certain houses, they are offering a low 4.99% mortgage rate, which is insane right now, since the majority of everybody else are in the mid to high 6s, and they are offering incentives. So if you're against new construction, maybe, just maybe, the numbers work for you, or you can afford more than you thought you were, since the rates are so low. So that's my plug. And now let's get on with the tour. Come on. This is what they're doing a lot more lately, is putting a home office when you first walk in. LVP flooring, really pretty. Got a dining room in here. Powder room. Big storage, hall closet, open floor space, and here, open floor plan. So you got your living room, you got your kitchen, granite countertops. Quiet clothes. If you've got kids, you know they're a nightmare. They're showing gas in here. I bet you that's extra. But look at how great this is. And you have your little patio out back. How great's that? Upstairs. Got a nice loft space in the middle, which is then separated by all the different rooms. Super light filled. This is a double. Huge walk-in closet. I'd kill for that. Here's your second bedroom. That looks like a double. Another walk-in. Bedroom, walk-in closet, and then this one attaches to the bath. So the bath is off of the main living space here. Quartz countertops, and here's your primary suite. I mean, how great's this? Vaulted ceiling, huge room, king-size bed. Lots of light. Stand-in shower. Private loo. Huge walk-in closet. Linen closet. So it's definitely worth a look, and especially with taxes. It's only 0.8 taxes here. So if you're looking in the city, you're potentially paying way more than you could be out here. Just a thought. Appreciate you sticking to the end. I hope you learned all that you want to learn about Colley Farm and enjoyed viewing the model home. If you have any questions, you want to see another neighborhood, put them in the comments below. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.